everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm actually here to share with you guys my Walmart box. Now, this is the fall box. Now, my box that I got a couple weeks ago. It was actually the summer box, and I literally got it in September, you guys. And September is usually when fall starts, but it is now the end of October, and I'm actually getting my fall box. Charlotte is sick today, so we're just hanging out with Charlotte. I'm sick. Everybody's sick. But I am super excited to see what we got. I think last month was probably the most disappointed box I've ever seen. These boxes, they say, are free. You just pay $5 for shipping and handling, and you guys get the boxes. You just go to Walmart Beauty and you can sign up. But it is a quarter box, so a quarterly box. So they do send you one every single season. So I just like to get it. I used to get these a long time ago, and I liked it. And I like to try new things, but I felt like a lot of the stuff they did was kind of repeating. A lot of you guys mentioned that the box last month, some of your stores have like a free like sample machine. Well, the sample machine were the same items that were in the box. So I don't know. I'm still going to give this a try, but you guys can cancel anytime just to say you try it. But I'm excited to see what is inside. But yeah, $5 for everything. I don't know if it's a good deal or not, but let's just see what we got. So here it says Fall Faves. That's kind of sad because I thought this was the fall box. I wonder if they screwed up and sent me another box. So we'll see how it is. So they gave me a Sofia Vergara perfume little sample right here. So we got that. I also got a lemon zesty scrub, buffs and brightens with gentle micro scrubbies. I wonder if this is another fall box and they messed up or something. I don't know. We will see, you guys. We will see. I thought I just got a razor and they sent me another razor. I don't know. I can't remember if it's the same one or not. So, got another razor. And yeah, this is, oh my god, you guys. I'm actually going to complain to them. I'm going to complain to Walmart because this is ridiculous. So here they gave me some oil-infused body lotion. Okay, so just like a little sample of that. Here we got the Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. And that is it. That is it. I got a stupid card for a razor, a stupid card for Biore, something about NYX. There's nothing even in here with NYX in it, so why would you send me a card with NYX? And then I got clear, Clean and Clear, and it's just something to scan to show up on their app. So this box was the most disappointing box I have ever seen. I am seriously going to complain to them. I'm going to ask for my money back. I think that's ridiculous because I was already charged a fall box, and this does say Fall Faves. So, I don't know. It asked for tell us a brief survey. Yeah, you guys, that's just ridiculous. Like, this is not even worth $5. Not even. I mean, yeah, the razors, yeah. I thought I was getting the winter box because I just got a fall box a month ago. So I will be contacting them and I'll let you guys know in my next Walmart Beauty box. But I feel like they're slacking because my first box I got some really good items. I got like a little beauty bag. Let me know if you guys got these same items. I know I got a razor in my last box, which I'm kind of disappointed in. I like the razor, but I'm just disappointed in the box in general. So yeah, so I thought I was seriously getting that, and it doesn't say anything on the box. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I will let you guys know during the next Walmart Beauty box, but I will contact them and let them know how disappointed that box is, because that's just useless crap. Useless crap. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.